Welcome back to my channel. Here we are going to be working on the top view or the plan as we have worked on the front elevation of this object, and the views are being produced in first angle projection. So now let's go and work on the plan. So what we are going to do now is to draw some lines. So we put on the auto mode, and from this point we draw a vertical line down there. Okay. Then I'm also going to draw a vertical line. So from this point here, okay, then I will also draw a vertical line from this point. Also from this point, I will draw a vertical line. So from here, so we draw a vertical line. And then from this point, I will draw a vertical line down. And then I will also draw a vertical line from this point. So other thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to extend this line, okay? And I'll also extend this line. All right, so I'm not going to project for this and this one. So I'm not going to project for that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So from here to this end here. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that total distance from here to this end is 60 to 60 millimeters. So I'm going to offset this line. I mean, from here to here is 60 millimeters. So I'm going to offset the line. But before I offset the line, okay, so I will offset the line from here to 60 to down here. So let's do that. So we click on offset, give it a distance of 60, press enter key. So click on this. Okay, so you have that 60 there. So I need to extend this line. Okay. All right, so then this will come down here. And this also come down here. So we also have this here. All right, so we have this. Then so this line, so it's a center line. Okay, so looking at this line doesn't look like a center line again. So I'll just mash. Okay. So I'll click on source and click on this. That's it. So we have it at the center line. So then if you look at this line that we have here, so distance from here to here is 12. And on the top view, it will be hidden from us. It will be hidden from us. So we are going to offset this line and this line to a distance of 12. Okay, so click on this. That's 12. And then we take this also. That's 12. So we have that. So then, so other things that we are going to have here. So let me get the center. So the midpoint here. So the midpoint, that is for us to draw these circles. So I'm going to offset this line to a distance of 30 from this end to this point is 30. So it's exactly in the middle. So I will offset that distance. So that line 30. So from here to here, that's 30. So I'm going to make it center line. So by matching it with this, that's it. So we have it as center line. So I'm going to draw the circle. So the diameter of the circle is 16, while the radius is 8. So I'll give it 8. So that's it. So I'm going to copy this. So click on copy. So just select this, right click. So pick it from the center and bring it to this point. So drop it and escape it. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to match this one. So just let me make it a thick line at once. So we just, okay, not that. Okay, so I'll just click on this, and then, all right, so we have this line also will be a thick line, including this line, this line. Okay, okay, so this line, all right, so I'm going to repeat what I did, but before that, I need to I need to break some lines off. So this line, I'll break it here, and also I'm going to break this line. Oh, not that. Okay, so this is the line. I'll break this line, break this line. All right, so I'll break this line also. And then this line, I'll break this off. All right, so all those lines that I projected, I'm going to, okay. All right, so I'll just draw normally, just to show that we project the line from there. All right, so okay, so I'm going to make those lines to be thick line. This is the source. So select this. So we select this line, so this line, and this line. So they are the external parts. So for the circle, so we have this. All right, so then the next thing that we are going to do here is that this line is going to be drawn with short dashes line, including this one, because we can't see this part from the top of this surface. So I'm going to also, I will match them. So this is the source, short dashes line. So click on this, and then we click on this. All right, so I'm still going to do something here. So so looking at this chop here, so we are going to have a rectangle. We are going to have this rectangle here. And then this part also will form a rectangle in the plan. We form a rectangle in the plan. I mean this part and this part here. So we form a rectangle in the plan. Okay. So so the rectangle is here. And also we also have this rectangle. And then we have this rectangle for the middle one. So I'm going to break off this part. So I'll break it off. So because all of that rectangle, we are going to see it. I'll break this off. So break this off and break this off. So do the same thing down here. Okay. So I will now draw the normal line. So from here to here. Okay. So I'll repeat it. So draw a line from here to here. All right. So we have this. So now, so I'm going to mash. So just click on this, and then so we have this line, and then we have this line. All right, so then other thing that we have here, so this circle that we have here, sorry, this semicircle, so it's just going to be a straight line in the middle here, and that is from here. Okay, so I'm going to, all right, so I need to break this line. So I'll break this line here, and break this off, and then break this off, and then I'll break this off. So I will draw normally. So from here, okay, I think I need to take that back. All right, so everything will be thick lines. So Everything will be thick line. So just let me mash. Okay. Okay. So I'll just click on this. Yeah. So everything will be made together. So I don't have to. Okay. So we have that. So all right. So it's this part that I need to work on. So I'm going to break this off. Okay. Then I break this off. All right. So for this part and for this part. So that's why I broke that off. So then so this is the source. So we click on this and this and this and on this. All right, so we have the plan in place. So we have the plan in place. So as you can see here, so this is the plan. So the whole of this like this is the plan. So let's so I'm going to copy this. So put up the auto mode and copy this. So bring it down here. Then I'm going to edit it. So I'll edit it and write plan. All right, so this is the plan. So as you can see it here, it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. When practice, it will become a master. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.